Most people think jerk chicken is just about the heat, but today we're going deeper. We're using red stripe, pimento leaves, and a secret guava glaze that's going to change the way how you barbecue forever. Let's get into it. Woohoo! I'm using some homemade jerk seasoning. I'm going in maybe about 2 heap tablespoons. Sugar, and we're going in with some Maggi all-purpose seasoning and our sugar. We're going chicken seasoning, dry jerk seasoning. We have here some homemade green seasoning and of course some salt. We're going to hit that with some black pepper and some of the beer. We're going in with a tablespoon of soy sauce. Mixy. Alright, now we're going to pour that on our washed chicken pieces. Yes, we're going to pop this in the fridge to develop its flavor overnight. See you tomorrow. Let's whip up a really quick salad whilst the chicken cooks. This is just going to give some freshness and some balance. We've got some coriander and mint, bell peppers, mango, and we're just going to do a honey and lime dressing. So let's get into it. Look how beautiful and colorful is this looking. Very Caribbean and tropical vibe right in this bowl. In with some extra virgin olive oil, and we're gonna go in with some honey, salt, lime juice, lime zest, salt, black pepper, and chili flakes. Good shake until it's emulsified, and then we're going to pop that in the fridge until we're just about ready to serve, and then we put the dressing onto our salad. So let's get back to the chicken. Right, to get that real authentic Jamaican barbecue flavor and jerk flavor, we're going in with some pimento leaves, and that's going to give us that really nice peppery aroma and flavor that we need. Get our chicken tasting awesome and authentic. Let's get our chicken on. Right, we're going to grill these for about 25 to 35 minutes or until they are fully cooked, turning occasionally. Whilst our chicken is cooking, let's go make that secret guava barbecue jerk glaze. Let's get into our sticky guava glaze. All of the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box. As I'm using guava jam, going in with some mild jerk seasoning, and we're going in with some jerk barbecue sauce as well. A good glug. Salt, allspice, and ground ginger, and we're going to go in with a bit of black pepper as well. Right, we've got the heat up to medium low. Now let's give that a good mix. I'm going to let that simmer for about anywhere from 8 to 12 minutes. And at the last 10 minutes of barbecuing chicken, we're just going to use some of this glaze to brush over our chicken. Our glaze is done, and I've just put a little knob of butter in just to get a little shine. All done. You're gonna love this guava barbecue glaze. It's delicious. Let's get some of this sticky guava glaze over this. Oh my gosh, this is smelling so divine. Oh, I wish you could smell it. Look at that shine. Oh my gosh. I see you when we're plating up. And there you have it. My secret to authentic jerk chicken with pimento leaf and red stripe there, and sides up a nice mango salad and a coleslaw to round it all up. If you like this recipe, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, share with your friends and family for more awesome Claudiecooks recipe. Enjoy! Woo-hoo.
Claudiecooks bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices. Claudiecooks bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices.